Welcome to the Lake DeSoto House in Hot Springs Village. This is the living room and the dining room with a piano, straight into the kitchen, dinette area, and the laundry room with an extra refrigerator, dinette area, out onto the deck where the view is, and there's three tables. Back into the living, down the hallway to the first bathroom. The first bedroom. The second bedroom. And the third bedroom upstairs. Now to the stairway. To the right, there's a bathroom with a linen closet. All three bathrooms have a linen closet and bathtub and shower. Two queen size beds, entertainment center, and daybed trundle. Two queen size beds, closet, two twin beds, daybed trundle, TV, and outside there's another seating area. Another full deck with a swing and some other seating, and down the stairway to the swimming area. And there's a fire pit. And the dock.